Welcome to Talking Dentures, where Simon answers all your questions about dentures.
Okay, yeah, so the question today is from Elaine R. And she asked the question, do dentures look natural now? In the past, dentures have not looked great. And a lot of that, there's two factors to it. It's the teeth that are used, how good those teeth are that are actually used on the denture. And the other thing is the type of tooth that's used and the way that the teeth are set on the denture. So to answer the question properly, I just need to explain a little bit about how dentures are made. So we have a wax base, the shape of the mouth, that pink plastic bit starts off being wax, and each tooth, which is machine made, are individually placed into that wax. If those teeth are set in the right place and they're set in an authentic manner, then they can look really good. To make them look even more realistic, you're using a higher quality teeth, and the higher quality teeth tend to have a composite layer, and the composite layer is really hard. The inside of the tooth is an acrylic, so it's softer, but it's got more tensile strength to it, so it's got more impact resistance and things like that, and it will bond to the acrylic better. But that outside shell, if it's a composite hybrid tooth, it will have lots of detail, so you have nice curves and shapes to the occlusal surface, which is like the cutting edge of the teeth. You get little details in there and on the surface of the teeth, so when you're smiling, the way that the light is reflecting off of the tooth will make a big difference. Also the lights, like a black light that you might get in a party, a club or something like that, the good quality teeth will fluoresce the same as a natural tooth. Quite often when you see it, when it's not, because natural teeth will fluoresce and glow, but sometimes the cheap denture teeth don't, and they look flat. They don't luminesce like natural teeth, but good quality teeth do, and so they will match in perfectly. Also the good quality teeth, they got like translucency to them as well, so you don't just get the light reflecting off, but you get refraction as well, and that is very subtle, but that again will make them look like natural teeth, which have that clear enamel covering on them. Also, the cheaper teeth, they're just made of one solid colour. The more expensive teeth are 2, 3, even 4 layers sometimes, so that they've got the darker core of the tooth and then the light covering, and again as the light sun shines on them when you're out on a sunny day and you're smiling, the light will pass through a really good quality denture tooth the same way that it does for a natural tooth. And because of all these things, the denture teeth will look far, far more natural, like real teeth, than crowns and bridges and implants and things like that. In most cases, because those teeth can have metal cores in them which don't allow that light to transfer through, so it gives them a more sort of opaque look to them. Not always, depends on the type of crowns that are done, but generally if you've got that metal core, it will look like more of a solid colour, and typically they don't match in as well as your natural teeth as well, like a denture tooth would, because of the layers that a denture tooth is made up of. In fact, I've made dentures where the patient's gone into a dentist and the dentist has seen their teeth, looked in their mouth, and then got shocked that they've got this palate and that they've actually got false teeth in because they look that good. So yes, the answer is if you have really good teeth made, you spend that little bit extra to have the really nice teeth put on, then they can look very, very real. Hope you like that. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to send us your questions. There's a link in the description below. Bye!